Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll take a look at how to increase conversions like inbound marketing agency. Inbound marketing agency helps businesses grow their website traffic, leads, and sales using a vast array of online marketing techniques. At inbound marketing, they set their mind to capture more qualified leads using existing lead magnets. Using an exit intent Lightbox campaign from OptinMonster, they were able to recover 3.59% of abandoning website visitors. Creating your own exit intent Lightbox pop-up is simple. Simply go to your Create a New Campaign dashboard, click on Pop-up, and select the template that meets your design needs. Next, you'll want to name your campaign and you can start building. Once within the drag and drop builder, you can make any design changes you need. And consider sharing a PDF download or lead magnet to add value to your customers and increase conversions. Once you've completed the design, you'll need to go to the Display Rules tab, and here you can select if exit detected and the exit intent sensitivity, as well as on which page of your website you'd like your exit intent pop-up to show. Click Next Step and make sure to show the opt-in form. And in the summary, you can ensure that your display rules are correct. Make sure to save as you go, and in integrations, you can integrate with your email marketing service provider, and you can also connect with Monster leads. And now with OptinMonster's native analytics, you'll see your statistics automatically in your dashboard. Finally, in the Publish tab, you can toggle from paused to live and follow the embed instructions for your website platform. Inbound marketing's main goal was to streamline their lead generation efforts. And with OptinMonster, they did just that. Inbound marketing was able to increase their conversions 189% as a result of using OptinMonster, as well as recover 3.59% of abandoning visitors with exit intent, and they were able to convert 5.75% of visitors using a full screen welcome mat. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.